Hello everyone, welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video I will show you how to change Buy It Now button to add Shop Now or any other call to action words that you want to use instead of Buy It Now. So currently on Shopify, there is no option to change the exact word Buy It Now. I think there was an option earlier in earlier versions of Shopify, but for now that option seems to be either hidden or not available anymore. However, in my case, I couldn't find it. And if you are wondering why I was looking for it, well, a guy asked me actually on my channel on how we can change the Buy It Now button to Shop Now button. So he wants to change the particular word Buy It Now to any word. And when I started looking for it, I could not find the option to change the Buy It Now button. However, in this video, I will show you how to change the Buy It Now to any other call to action word, as I said, whatever it's Shop Now or whatever you want. And this trick works on every team and every Shopify store. And this will be future proof as well for at least 5 years from now. So if you are watching this like more than a year after it was posted, it will work for you as well, because we will add a particular code that will overrate the Buy It Now with any text you want. And most people want to use the Shop Now, which is the button right here. As you can see, it says here Shop Now. So without any more talking, let's just get to it. But before we start, as always, if this video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is the Shopify store that I do all the tutorials on. And just like I mention always in my videos, all the things you see on the Shopify store are actually made during tutorials. So all the things in here, I did show them in tutorials, including the video banner right here, as you can see, with the button and so on, and the transparent header. As you can see, the banner video is actually playing under the header, and it's completely transparent. And best about this trick is it works for every team. So I did show in demonstration in video, I did show how to use it, and I did test it on other teams as well. So you can see for yourself that it's actually working for every team. And even if I did scroll down a little bit, it will stay transparent, as you can see. So it's really good. And if you do like it and you want to add it to your Shopify store as well to make it unique, make sure to check out my channel. But for now, let's just get to it and show you how to change Buy It Now button to Shop Now or any other call to action word that you want. And let's just scroll down to check out a product from here. Let's just go for this one, for example. And also, as you can see, this color swatches right here with the pictures and effects and so on. If you are interested in how to add these, as well as the countdown timer right here and the add to cart, sticky add to cart button at the bottom of the page right here, make sure to check out my channel. I make a lot of videos, as I said, to make your store unique and branded, most importantly. But for this video, I will show you how to change the Buy It Now, which is this one right here. So you will change it to any word you want, and I mean it. You will see actually what I will going to change it for, and you will see that you can actually change it to any word. And let's just get to it. So obviously, in order to do this, we need to access the Shopify dashboard. So after you did access the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from here, simply click on it. Then click on the 3 dots on the left of Customize right here, and you will see this menu, and click on Edit Code. And as always, I do mention the steps like click here for people that are not familiar with Shopify, because I know most of the people that search for these tutorials are not familiar with Shopify. Then the next thing you're going to do is access theme.liquid, which is this file right here. It should be at the top of the page, the second one or the first one. So in your case, if you can find it, or I think definitely you will find it here. In case in the future, if it's not at the top of the page, simply search for it on the search file right here. Type in here theme.liquid, and you will see it, this one right here. Then click on it, and you will see all the code for the theme.liquid file, as you can see. So in here, we're going to add a really short code that will overrate or change the Buy It Now button to any text you want. And I mean it. You will see that in a moment. And it's really short code, and you don't have to edit it or anything like that. The next thing you're going to do, because we need to find a section in here, and that section called /head. So we need to find /head, not the first one. In here, the first one you will see just head, not this one. We need to find /head. So in order to find it, either keep scrolling down like this until you find it, or you can click on Command F if you are on Mac, or if you are on Windows, click on Control F in your keyboard, and you will see this message right here at the top of the page. Then type in head, just like you see. Then it will show you one. As you can see, it's only one available. Simply hit enter and it will take you directly to it. It didn't. Anyway, it should be right here. Here it is. So this is the section that you need to find, which is /head. After you did find it, the next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box and you will see a link named as code. Simply click on it, then it will take you to this page right here where you're gonna find this very short code, as you can see. So this code can actually change the buy it now to button to any text that you want, which is call to action text. So let's just select this code, which is 19 lines to be exact. So let's just select it and right click. Oops, why that always happen? Anyway, so let's just right click and copy the text. After we did copy the text, that's really obvious what you're gonna do, right? Simply get back in here and paste it above /that header. Not below it, but above it. I repeat, before /head or above /head. That's really important, otherwise it will not work. Just like I'm doing right now. After that, simply paste it in here above /head, then simply save the changes. Then we will get back to the product page and reload the page and see if that will change or not. And you will see what did it change it. You might notice right now, or if you didn't, you will see right now. So let's just reload the page and the buy it now should change. So let's just reload the page. And here you go. Check out what it says now. Hit that like button. So make sure you do so. Make sure to hit that like button. And obviously, you don't want to change it to hit that like button. In my case, I want to change it to hit that like button so you can hit that like button. In your case, you shouldn't change it to hit that like button, obviously. So make sure to change the text in here. As you can see, in here it says content, hit that like button. So the text in red is what you should change to anything you want, which is shop now or any call to action. So actually, let's just do that. Let's just change the hit that like button to shop now. So simply I'm gonna select the hit that like button and just type in shop now. Just like this. Then we save the changes. Then we get back in here, reload the page. And here we go. It says now shop now. But make sure you hit that like button, just like the previous button says. So that's how you change buy it now button to any call to action text, which is shop now, or hit that like button, or any call to action text, or any text you want. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I don't reply to each comment. If you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.